Okay, y'all, so let me show y'all. This top is Forever 21. Cute, chic. This one right here. And let me tell y'all something. This one right here is from Shein. Cute. Got the ruffle. This ain't gonna last long, y'all. This is another one. This is a size large. This ain't gonna last long neither. I'm surprised, y'all, that this stuff is still up here. For real. I'm so surprised that it's still up here. But yeah, that's a beautiful top. That ain't gonna last long. Beautiful top. And I got this is at an affordable price too, so I don't know. I don't know. Maybe these people ain't got, they don't know what style is, they don't know how to dress. I don't know. But I got a lot of cute stuff, y'all. A lot of cute stuff. Look at these pants. This remind me of something Selena would wear, right? She was all about fashion and, like, you know, jewelry and beads and stuff like that. But this is definitely cute. And I'm thinking, I'm definitely going to challenge myself, guys, and do more live videos on Poshmark. I just really haven't had the time because I'm just really doing a lot, y'all. A lot. Ooh, I got a lot. I got a lot going on, but let me show y'all some stuff. Cause I don't be playing. I don't be playing when it comes to me and me being an entrepreneur and staying at home. I know that I have to get out here and do what I have to do, and I have to promote my businesses, because if you don't promote your businesses, you ain't gonna get no sales. So with me knowing that, I gotta hold myself responsible, and you guys just hold yourself accountable for what you're doing and for what you're not doing. Because if you're not doing it, how are the people gonna know what you're selling? You got people right now doing lives. You got people right now doing lives on Poshmark. So I'm gonna have to get my time management up. That's why I want to do a clarity call with this lady that I met online. I'm gonna do a clarity call with her, and I'm gonna tell her my problem is time management. Like, how do I get back the time when I got so much going on? I got so many businesses going. I'm just doing so much, but I'm gonna get it back, guys. And when I tell you, I'm gonna be doing at least 2 to 3 pie shows each day on Poshmark. Now I got relist right now. I'm getting out of time because I gotta go back and relist all of my stuff on Poshmark. Then I have to hit up some people for my music artist so that she can get into the studio, get her voice lesson, and start doing her photoshops and start getting her out there and start getting her name known. Getting her name known in people's household and getting her music out there and getting her just getting everything done. Also being a talent agent, I own my own talent agency, so making sure, like right now, I have to go submit my actors to jobs. At least I'm trying to do at least 5 jobs, 5 jobs a day. Okay, but at least three at the most. Um, so I'm gonna just show you guys these 2 things that I have. This ain't gonna last long either, y'all. I'm telling y'all. This is Coco BB. And this is a cute, it's like wool. It's like a beautiful skid wool. red, white, and black, and it has a little bit of brown in it. You could take like a like little brownish top. Even that top I just showed, for real. If you wanted to. Seriously. I mean, you could. No, don't look right. I don't even know why I'm lying to myself. I think what would go better with this would be, yeah, you could pair it with this top. You could pair it with this top and some black heels. Or you could do brown heels. Alright. I got a whole slew of clothes back there. I don't play no games, y'all. I got nice stuff, y'all. Nice stuff. And right now, I should be selling out. Yeah. I should be selling out. Look at this beautiful top. I should be selling out. Look at this beautiful top. I don't be playing no games, y'all. When I tell y'all, I got some good, nice stuff that will dress to impress for the new year. I got a lot of nice stuff dress to impress for the new year. I got this one. This ain't gonna last long either. This little jean skirt. These pockets are just for decoration. They're just decoration pockets. I don't think it has a pocket on it, which is weird. Okay, but you got that. And then you got the pretty little top that goes with it. It goes like this around. It ain't gonna last long, y'all. I'm telling y'all better go over to my Poshmark. I'm telling you. I know y'all are like, well, why didn't you tell us about this before? Because, y'all, I don't know. I don't think that y'all would be interested. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta stop thinking. People have to stop thinking like that. Stop thinking just because you ain't getting views on YouTube that people ain't gonna be interested in other stuff. You might be very surprised. People be over there on other stuff that you got going on. They might not be interested in I'm sorry what you're talking about on YouTube. Other people might interest them. Other people might have different personalities that they like. Hey, but you shouldn't change for nobody. Don't think that you have. I see so many people, guys. I see so many people on YouTube acting like everybody else. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Act like yourself. I promise you, if you act like yourself, if you be like yourself, and stop trying to copy people just because you see they got a lot of views, you will enjoy YouTube more. When you are doing stuff that you enjoy to do in your life, the engagement is going to come. The views is going to come. But if you're trying to act like that person over there, I'm telling you, the people going to know. Even I seen it. So, you know, if I can watch somebody and tell that they're acting like somebody else, then you know that your own subscribers is going to see that. Man, just be yourself, man. Just be yourself. And people tell you, stop counting the views. If you do a video and it get 20 views, keep doing videos. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Find out what you did in that one and fix it. Do another one. Your next one might get 500 views. Look at the 500 view one and see what you did different. Were you talking more about the situation? Were you putting pictures in there? Look, people love when you talk about stuff and then you put pictures in there. They like that. They like the little memes. Put some of that in there. Most of my video, well, the video I did the first time, it got a lot of views teaching people how to make money on Lucky Day. I didn't have all that stuff in there. But the thing I think that blew that video up was the title and all the information I was giving them. and the people were already familiar with it. You want to find stuff that people are already familiar with and know about, because then they gonna be in the comment section saying, I did it this way and it worked better this way. You be like, oh yeah, well I'm gonna try that too. But it has to be they have to be familiar with it, because if you just put out stuff that people are not familiar with, you're not gonna get a lot of engagement. You're just not. So y'all, with that being said, I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time, it is your girl, Tea Time Tension. Okay? Where you get everything over here, guys. If you're looking to make money off of your phone, I have videos on that. If you're looking to turn working with Home Glow into a $1 million business, making 6 figures, you can. I do it all over here. I talk about true crime. I cook. I have mukbangs. Anything you want to see on my channel is here. Okay. Now, that's why I have my playlist, y'all. Because I know a lot of people come in here and they be like, oh, I don't like you talking about this person. I don't like you talk. Okay, don't watch. Okay? I have a whole list of, I have a playlist of stuff. If you see me talking about somebody and it irks you, don't watch that playlist. Okay? Go to another playlist. Maybe you want to see me play games and help you play games and make money off of your phone just playing games. Yeah, you can. Okay? I'm about to go get on my computer, submit my actors to some jobs, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna play my game for a couple hours. I'm gonna watch TV. I know y'all like, how you do all that? Because I know how to. That's what multitasking is. I know how to do. I look, y'all. When I was in college, I used to do my homework and watch TV. Because I can multitask. I was doing this on the phone, doing that. I can multitask. Some people can't. You know, if you want to learn how to multitask, hit your girl up, okay? Comment down below. But this is where you're going to find everything, guys. If you're looking for any and everything, this is your channel. So make sure, again, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys in another video. Also, check my Poshmark out. I know you're going to find some cute deals over there and some cute clothes. I got everything, y'all. Y'all seen that? I just showed y'all. This is not even all what I have, what I sell on Poshmark, y'all. I even have animal print stuff. Like, I have anything and everything you want, guys. Okay? I had this beautiful dress right here. The ruffles are in. If y'all see me, y'all see I got a lot of stuff with ruffles because it's trendy. Okay? So I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.